Hey, welcome back. I hope that you are having a great day. So today I'm here to share with you about an enrollment opportunity that you have with 31 this month in the month of April. So as you know, we are celebrating our 20th anniversary this year. We have lots of surprises in store for you throughout the year. And one thing that I always love is being able to share the blessing of 31 with other women. So this opportunity has changed my life, and I love being able to share that and be able to help other women impact their own lives. So whatever your reason in joining or thinking about joining may be, whether it be for extra money, just something for you, some girl time, maybe a way to be able to give back, I would love for you to think about the 31 business opportunity and how it could impact your life. So this month, in the month of April, you can actually join for $31. So if joining has been on your radar, but maybe a budget has been your issue, this may be able to help you get in the door with 31. Now, when you enroll as a consultant, you're going to have all of the digital, resources at your fingertips. In your enrollment kit, you'll get catalogs, you'll get a how-to guide. Everything that you need to get started will be at your fingertips. We have a consultant website called 31 Today. It's just for consultants, and it has a wealth of knowledge there, information to help you get started with your new consultant, with any type of party that you want to do, whether it be an in-person party, or an online party, a scroll and shop party. We have all of the training right there for you. Now, I will say, a lot of people, not a lot of people, but some people join and they just think that they're going to join and everything is going to happen. That's not true. Okay, you have to work at it, right? It's just like with anything. So when you join and you're ready to get going, to get started, you have the possibilities are endless when you join, but of course it does take a little work on your part, just being completely honest. So if you're ready to jump in, to get started, let's go. I'm here to help you. Okay, so if you are watching today and you do not have a 31 consultant, I'm happy to be your girl if you're in the United States. So we can definitely chat. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have about enrolling or just any questions about 31 in general. So I'll link everything below, but I wanted to share with you the kits that we have available. Now, our summer catalog is going to launch on May 1st. So we have brought forward our summer enrollment kits. So if you enroll as a consultant in the month of April, you will get to choose from our summer prints and personalization, which is really fun. Now, in the month of April, you can join for $31 with our Summer Simplified Mini Kit. So in that kit, this is April only, you'll be able to get a Mesh Large Utility Tote, which is our Large Utility Tote's our #1 seller. So you'll be able to get the Mesh Large Utility Tote. You can choose from our different print SKUs. I love the purple. And then you'll also get our mesh pouches. So if you follow me on social media, you know that I was at the beach last week and we absolutely adored these mesh pouches. So we are setting you up for success from the very beginning, no matter what enrollment kit that you choose. You'll also get some business supplies. So you will get a pack of our summer catalogs, pack of those, and then also our how-to guide to help you get started as well. Now, this how-to guide is absolutely gold. I'm telling you, it is golden. So it helps you get started from day one. So if you enroll with me, I actually email this to you, but you'll also get it in paper form in your enrollment kit. But it helps you get started. It gives you the words to say, to reach out to people. And it's just absolutely golden. I absolutely love it. So it is so helpful. And then we also have a new consultant program with 31 called our AMP Jumpstart. So you can earn free products by submitting orders in your first 90 days. We have it chunked out kind of in your first 30 days and then in your first 90 days as a new consultant. So, and then even at that, so this is that that 30-day period here. So you can earn products for submitting $300, submitting $500 in your first 30 days. And this kind of breaks it down into your first 90 days to earn all of these. But you even have the ability to earn your website for free for 2 months, which is really cool. And then we have our all day, everyday enrollment kits that you can choose from as well. And then you'll get to choose the new prints on those. So we have that basic bestsellers kit. We have the fan faves kit. So you can either choose an at-home kit or on-the-go kit. And then we have our ultimate goal getter kit for $189. So these are valued, like that $189 kit's valued at $665. So, the kits, don't focus on the kits. Like if you know that you're going to do like in-person parties or you're going to do videos and things like that, then that larger kit may be an option for you. So you have products to show. If you're going to be, doing online things and maybe just a few posts here and there, you may not necessarily need a larger kit. So just figure out what it is, what your budget is, what your plan is when you enroll. And I can talk through that with you if you are interested in joining. But let me know in the comments what you think about our new enrollment kits. Which kit would you choose if you enrolled as a consultant with me in April? So I look forward to hearing from you, and let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way you'll get a notification on your phone when I post a new video. And like I said at the beginning, I'll link everything below so you can definitely check it out. All right, have a great day. Bye.